don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get. And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get.
Yes.
Hello everyone and welcome back. It's a weekend and I usually load my weekends with multiple chores. But this weekend was a bit different. I decided to take a pause from scheduled deep cleaning chores and simply go ahead with the very basic ones. It's Saturday afternoon and the peak of monsoon. Rains bring a lot of joy and thrill. The chilled days, slow mornings, and comfort food make monsoon cozy and beautiful. When we think of a pause while staying at home, it's quite understandable that we can't skip it all in the name of pause. There are some chores, tasks, and duties that can't be skipped as a homemaker or a working mom. Putting the house together, cooking, laundry, teaching the kid, and many such tasks are the examples. These cushion covers are my recent purchases. It's an offline purchase, but I'll still try to link some similar pastel cushion covers in the description box. This tiny change adds so much charm and makes a lot of difference to my living room. In this era of skills, knowledge, values, and experiences, our young learners need to embrace early education. Hello, ma'am.
What's the name of the student?
Her name is Rhythm.
Rhythm. Do you know the names of color?
Yes,
Which one is this?
yellow,
Nice. Give me a high five. You know these all. Yes. Rhythm, can you quickly count how many colors are there?
A,
8. Very good.
Early education helps them become well rounded individuals and active participants in society. Recently, my 4 years old daughter, Rhythm, embarked in a fun learning platform through Bhanzu. It's a platform designed to introduce mathematics to children from UKG to ninth standard. This super interesting way of learning maths was created by Mr. Neelkant Bhanuprakash, the world's fastest human calculator.
Yes.
Rhythm engaged really well in her first ever virtual class with Bhanju, and it was much more than I expected from her. As a mother, seeing my child have fun while learning with Bhanju was truly gratifying.
Tell me how many are here, Rhythm?
9,
Can you tell me how many elephants are here?
4 elephants.
Oh, very good. Okay. Now we will be
If you want your kids to learn and explore mathematics, you can attend their free demo class. Just click the link given in the description box. Classes can also be taken if you're living in US, UK and UAE.
7.
Since I sorted almost all my work early today, it was now time to have dinner. I've prepared Rhythm's favorite egg bhurji and chapati for dinner tonight. Cooking Rhythm's favorite meals means no fuss while eating. I'm sure all my mommy friends would relate to me on this. The very next day, we had a movie planned, followed by lunch. During monsoons, we limit our outings, and now that it's been a couple of weeks that we have eaten out, we truly crave this. Rhythm had been insisting on watching this movie for a long time now, so we are here. She enjoyed it thoroughly, and so did we.
We need volunteers. Yo, Boscovich, didn't I tell you to cut that hair? You look like a sheepdog.
After returning from a beautiful day out, I decided to trim my hair at the tip. This is not the first time I'm doing this, so it's quite a normal thing for me. I go to salons for haircut only when I need a proper change in my look or a little grooming. So it's barely once in 7 to 8 months that I visit a salon.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem. And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem. And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels.
It's finally Sunday evening, and I decided to tackle my pending tasks of restocking grocery. The weekend is almost over, and it's time to buckle up for the next week. This beautiful cycle is a blessing. May feel monotonous, but has so much to be thankful for. We had our dinner early tonight, and I took out some time for my YouTube work after dinner. It's that one thing that I do for myself, and it brings me immense joy. Shooting, editing, scripting, planning, everything gives me so much happiness. And I'm glad that this small community of mine acknowledges and appreciates my effort. On that note, I'll wrap up the video here. Once again, if you also want to introduce mathematics to your child in a fun way through Banzu, do not forget to check the link in the description box. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you next week. Till then, bye bye.